Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I wanted to tell you about a DeWalt tool sale going on right now at Acme Tools. This is for today, Tuesday, November 22nd only, and it ends tonight at 11:59 p.m. Central Time, or if supplies run out, there is one free deal per order. Make sure you take advantage of this. When you purchase this 4-tool combo kit for $399, marked down from $449, you get 2 free Powerstack batteries valued at $199. This free gift is automatically added to your shopping cart. The model number for this kit is DCK479D, and it includes a 20-volt max drill driver, an impact driver, reciprocating saw, LED work light, and 2 2-amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a tool bag. That's a nice deal. I'll include shopping links in the description of this video, and please comment to let me know if you'd like to see other videos of this nature telling you about current sales. Also, don't forget to subscribe to see future videos here on YouTube. I do a lot of tool reviews. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook as well. As always, I thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.